Hi guys and welcome to DriveSpark. I'm Promeet and today is gonna be a slightly different video because in this video we are gonna install a performance air filter on the Suzuki Jimny. Yes, as you can see over here, we have got the K&N high performance air filter, and this is gonna go on the Suzuki Jimny. It's a factory OEM replacement part. So let's start this video. So before we tell you how to install this and what this does, let me tell you a little bit about the K&N Air Filter. So this brand has been in this industry for a long time, since 1960s. And these filters, as you can see over here, it is written lifetime engine air filter. So I mean, once you put it, they are washable. You can wash them. They are reusable. You have to coat them with oil. And there is a procedure that how to clean this air filter. So the regular paper filter that you get with your stock car, that is obviously after every service you have to remove it, throw it away, and they replace it with a new air filter. Well, this is not the case with this. You can reuse this, and you can reuse this a lot of times. In fact, it says over here lifetime engine air filter. So I think if you put it, I think you forget after you put it, just clean it. Few things over here, it's written between cleanings, it's written over here 75,000 miles. That's a lot of kilometers. Obviously, we stay in a very dusty environment. So regular cleaning of the air filter is necessary. If not, then obviously your car will breathe less air and will underperform. So again, a few other advantages of this filter is that this K&N air filter, it says that it helps increase little bit of horsepower, little bit of torque, increases fuel efficiency, and also gives the engine a better grunt with the induction noises. So let's quickly unbox this and let's see what do we get inside this box. Okay, so this is again your filter. Apart from that, you get some stickers. That is K&N, and also says do not discard over here. So yeah, it again says a lifetime warranty. So I think you can stick this on the airbox, and whenever you go to service your car, so they will read this and hopefully they will not throw this filter out. So you can tell them, and you also got a sticker. We can stick it wherever you want. There is a special message. This is over here. So this is to claim your warranty. It says, do not forget the final step. Registration also includes access to a full product warranty coverage, free information of how to best take care of your K&N products, exclusive offers, new product alert for your vehicles, and a lot more. And behind, if you see, you have a few notes over here. You have a few types of filters, high flow air filters, washable cabin air filters, performance intake systems, and performance oil filters. So again, not gonna read all of that. This is the filter. So let's quickly just open this. So this is how it looks, kind of red in color, and I'm just holding it with the plastic because there is the filter oil. Don't want to get them directly on my hands, and it's, I think, completely made of proper silicone. The stock filter is pretty hard. It has a hard case, but this does not have. So now let's go and install this air filter on the car. So basically, to install the air filter, you have it's actually a very simple process. It's a DIY process. So you have to open the hood of your car, and after opening the hood of your car, you will have to locate your airbox. Now there are two ways that the airbox is closed. One is you have the airbox closed with the nuts and the bolts. So you can either use a ratchet or a screwdriver to unhook it. And over here in the Jimny, it's a very simple case. So you just have to unhook these clamps, and there are 4 of them. After unhooking them, you take this box out. After taking that box out, what you do is, this is how the factory filter comes out. It's a straight process, nothing. So this is how the factory filter looks like. And after that, you just replace it with the K&N air filter. There are 2 clamps at the end of the box. You have to slot them in, and after you have slotted them in, they will perfectly fit. After that, you just clamp it on and we are good to go. So now that we have installed our K&N Air Filter in the car, we will now check out how it sounds. So first, this is how the car sounds on the stock air filter. And this is how it sounds after installing the K&N Air Filter. Well, not much of a difference, I would say, as far as the sound is concerned, but little gruntier than before. I don't know. Maybe I am hearing it, but anyway, let's now check it out. Let's drive the car and see whether this has slightly increased the power or the torque or the mileage. So let's go drive the car and let's find that out. So now that we have driven the car after installing the K&N high performance air filter, we can definitely say that the car has become slightly peppier. Obviously, I cannot assure you how many horsepowers have the Jimny gained because it's a naturally aspirated engine. And stock figures on the Jimny are around 104 bhp and 134 Nm of peak torque. Mine is a manual. You can also have it with an automatic. I think if what this says is around 2 to 3 bhp and around 3 to 4 Nm of peak torque, if that has happened, so my Jimny power is now increased from 104 to around 106 to 7, and from 134 to around say 138, 137, 138 Nm of peak torque. Again, cannot promise these numbers are true because not dyno tested, but definitely one thing that I can say that the low end torque has increased. The throttle response now feels slightly more peppier. I think because of the way the air is now flowing. The factory filter has a lot of restrictions in it. Now that is where this filter comes in place. And I think that has made a huge difference. In the next video, what we'll do is we will do a 0 to 100 test in the stock air filter, and then we will put this filter back in and we will do a 0 to 100 test again, and we will see if this has helped increase the 0 to 100 timings. If yes, then definitely this is worth it. And again, it's a very simple process, and you should definitely have one of these in your cars because I mean, yeah, they look good, they sound good, they definitely perform better. And as far as mileage is concerned, I noticed one thing that I have increased around 1.2 to 1.4 kilometers per liter within the city. So I think on the highway, when I will take the car out on the highway sometime, I will definitely make a video on that and tell you if the mileage has increased after installing this filter. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our social media channels. If you have any queries about this air filter or specifically about the Jimny, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. Until then, I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.